That's
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So what we have been learning is the four properties of an ism. And we started with the first property, which is status. The four properties are status, gender, number, and type. And we are learning the first one, which is status. To learn this, we learned the Muslim chart, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. All these three words mean a Muslim. Then for dual we had Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. So these three words mean two Muslims. And then for plural we have Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. So Muslim chart is what? Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Last three words mean more than two Muslims. And then I introduced you to three new terms which tell the status. And these terms are Rafa, Nasb, and Jar. So the three words in the first row their status is Rafa. The three words in the second row, their status is Nasab, and the words in the third row, they are all Jar. Alright, so Muslimun is Rafa, Musliman is Nasab, Muslimin is Jar. Muslimani is Rafa, Muslimaini is Nasab, Muslimaini as well is can be Jar as well. Muslimuna is Rafa, Muslimina is Nasab, and Muslimina is Jar. And then I showed you this table last time. So if it is a singular word, how you tell the status? You look at the last haraka. If it is one dhamma or two dhamma, it is rafa. If it is one fatha, two fatha, then it is nasab. If it is one kasra or two kasra, then it is jar. For dual, should be the ending sound, not the haraka. Ending sound. Ani is rafa, aini is nasab, aini is jar. And if it is plural, then we go with the ending sound again. Una is rafa, ina is nasab, and ina is jar. That's what we did last time. And then we used a few words to tell the status, like what the status is. And then we use the Muslim chart for feminine gender. Same concept. And the similar way to tell the status, actually the same way to tell the status for singular and dual. The only difference is in the plural. The ending sound is not una, ina, or ina. Instead, it is atun, atin, and atin. And then near the end of the class, we learned a few, like how to tell the status of the few words. So I will use maybe a couple of examples from here. A last one, for example, sabiratin. And then we move on, inshallah. So any volunteer who wants me to tell the status of sabiratin? Okay, I have one hand up, and it is from Ahmad, Muhammad, Ibrahim, and Amara. Who's gonna do this?
so it says sound ending sound is atin, so it could be nasab or jar.
It could be Nasab or Jar. Okay, Umar, what is
Yes,
the next one? Jannatun.
Jannatun is Rafa because the ending sound is Atun.
Ending sound is Atun. Very good. Atun. And Ayataini. Ayataini. Brother Shuaib.
It could be Nasavenger.
Could be nice. What does it mean? Ayatun means one ayah, one verse.
Yes.
So ayataini means
Ayatayn is two verses.
two verses or two signs. Yeah. Good. So that is what we did last class. Now we are going to use real examples from the Quran and identify the word, identify the status or tell the status of the words. So nas iza jaa nasrullahi wal fath. The word nasru. I want to know what is the status of nasru. Who is going to help me? Anybody who can tell the status? Brother Shuaib.
It's Rafa.
It's Rafa. All right, good. Next word is Allahi. Anybody else? Saad.
It's jar.
It's jar. How do you know that it's jar?
That ends with a kasra.
It ends with kasra. So it's a singular word. So you use the haraka, ending haraka. Okay, next word is al-fathu. Okay, Abdul Rahman, Shuaib.
Rafa,
Why?
because it ends with a dhamma.
Ends with the dhamma. Okay. وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا. النَّاسَ. Umar. Starting with an O.
Assalamualaikum. It's nasab.
Rafa, nasab or jar? Quickly, tell me. Brother Farruh Hamid.
It's a nasab.
How do you know it is nasab?
It has a harakat, the zabar on at the end.
Yeah, so it is the ending haraka because it's a singular word, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Dini. Dini.
Dini is jar.
Yeah, good. Thank you, brother. I saw Brother Musab. Brother Musab, can you come back?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Allahi.
Is jar.
Jar. Next word is as well. Afwajan.
Nasab.
Why are you calling it nasab?
Ending haraka.
Ending haraka. No, now everybody listen. Okay? Everybody listen. Afwajan is not a singular word. It is a plural word. It is a plural word. But it is not ending with una or ina. It is also not ending with atun or atin. So what does it mean? It means there are other plurals who do not have the ending sound una, ina, or atun or atin, but they are still plurals. Most of the plurals are actually like that. So what we do? We just assume that they are singular for telling the status. For telling the status, we will treat them as if they were singular. So afwajan is a plural word, but we will treat it as a singular because it is not ending with the ending sounds una, ina, or atun or atin. So it is nasab. All right, good. فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْهُ إِنَّهُ كَانَ تَوَّابًا. Word is hamdi. Umar Sohail Sayyid.
It's jar because of the kasra.
Rabbi.
Rabbika is nasab because of the fatha.
Just Rabbi, huh? Just Rabbi. Okay,
Rabbi
good.
is jar.
Brother Shoaib. Tawwaban.
Tawaban is also nasab.
Nasab. Very good. Okay, Allahu. We have to do this quickly so we could go to the next. Okay, I keep seeing the same hand, so I have to talk to somebody else now. I have to talk to somebody else. Khadija.
Yes.
Allahu. Rafa nasab or jar.
Allahu. Rafa.
Ahadun.
Rafa.
Allahu again.
Rafa.
As-samadu.
Rafa.
Good. Okay, thank you. I go to Sister Iman. Kufuwan.
Kufuwan.
Rafa nasab or jar.
Rafan.
Kufuwan, what is it?
Rafan.
Why you say it is Rafa?
I think it's Rafa.
Because you don't know how to tell the status. That is why you're telling this is Rafa. If you knew, then you won't say that. So you have to go
Yeah.
back and study about this. If you don't know this, Iman, you won't be able to learn Arabic. Trust me.
Okay.
Rafa for singular, you tell it by, if it is Dhamma, one Dhamma, two Dhamma, then it is Rafa. One Fatha or two Fatha, then it is Nasab. If it is one Kasra or two Kasra, then it is Jar. So what is Kufu one, Iman?
Nasr.
Nasab. It is Nasab. All right? Good, you got
Yeah.
it. How about next one then? Ahadun.
Ahadun. Rafa.
Rafa. That's how you tell the status. Good.
Thank you.
Now, one thing. Everybody listen. Everybody pay attention. I'm going to say something which you have to remember. Okay? Huwa. Huwa is a pronoun. You know this. It's a detached pronoun. Huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. Excuse me. Huwa is a pronoun. It's a detached pronoun. For pronouns, we don't follow the same rules. The pronouns have their own rules. Okay? And the detached pronoun is always Rafa. We don't have to look at the table for this. Okay? We don't follow the table for it. A detached pronoun is always Rafa. Just memorize this statement. Okay. We're gonna do a couple of more, and then we go to the next topic. Sister Khairun Nisa. Najmun. Rafa, Nasab or Jar?
It's a Rafa.
Rafa, why?
I can't see the word, but I think there's a Dhamma sign on top.
Dhammatain. Two Dhamma at the end. Very good. Thank you, sister. Sister Ajia. Baitan. What is it? Rafa, Nasab or Jar?
Nasab.
Nasab. Very good. Abidatin. Abidatin. Usman.
Sab and Jar.
Sorry.
Sab and Jar.
Nasab or Jar. Very good. Ending sound, huh? Shay'in. Shay'in means a thing.
Jar.
Shay'in means a thing. Brother Musab Ilyas.
Jar.
Jar. Ending haraka or ending sound?
Ending haraka.
Ending haraka. Very good. Muhajiratin. Muhajiratin.
Shall I say it?
Sure, go ahead.
Nasab or jar?
Why you say that?
Because it has the atin at the end. Or
Okay. Okay, I read it to you. And then you tell me, does it have atin or not atin? Muhajiratin. Did I say muhajiratin?
oh, I see. Okay. All right. So it's jar.
It's jar. Yeah. It is
Sorry for
not
that.
muhajiratin. It's muhajiratin. So it is very important you say it right, read it right. Then you will know.
The next one is nasab or jar.
Yeah, it is atin, right? Taibatin. So that is nasab or jar. Thank you. Thank you, brother Musab Ilyas.
You bet.
Yeah. Next, I will pick somebody else and then we go to the next topic. And in the breakout room, inshallah, what we will do, we will use more words. There are a lot of other words we have where we can practice. So don't worry about this. Inshallah, in the breakout room, everybody, or I hope everybody, will get a chance to practice. Sister Zulekha. Sister Zulekha.
Yes.
Okay, afwajan, we did this already. Mu'minatani. Rafa nasab or jar. Mu'minatani.
Jar.
Ani.
Jar.
Could this be nasab as well?
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
What is the ending sound, sister, here?
Ati.
Ani, like Muslimani.
Ani.
So what is the ani sound? Rafa, nasab or jar? Ani, aini, aini. Muslimani
Rafa.
or
Rafa.
muslimatani. Yeah, it is Rafa. It is ani sound. It is Rafa. Okay, stay with me. Sorry. As-sama'u,
It is Rafa.
Rafa. Al-adhabu,
Rafa.
bayyinatun,
Rafa.
Rafa. So it is easy, easy. So I will just stop here. I will not use more words to practice. And I will hope that everybody will do this practice in the breakout room. I will use a couple of minutes to introduce you to the next topic. Just an introduction. Okay? And you can have all the practice in the breakout room. Inshallah. There's a lot of other words. So we are done with status. Okay? You know how to tell the status. Rafa, nasab or jar. So we are done with it. Next property is gender. Okay, I will just introduce you to this property. We will talk about this property in detail tomorrow. Gender. In Arabic language, every ism has a gender. It will be either masculine or feminine. Every ism has a gender. Okay, there are no genderless words like in English. Knowing the gender of an ism is very important for understanding the Arabic language. That's a general statement. Most of the asma is just a plural of the word ism. Okay, most of the asma or most of the ism in English language are genderless. Therefore, if you just know English language and don't know any other language, it will be maybe a difficult concept for you. For example, table. Table has a gender in Arabic. Cup has a gender. Chair has a gender in Arabic. In English, these things don't have a gender. For example, the word shams. Shams means sun. Shams word in Arabic language is feminine. But if you translate this shams into Urdu, means Suraj. Suraj is masculine. While the word sun in English language doesn't have a gender. So this depends on the gender. This depends on the language you are learning. Some languages don't, for many of the or most of their ism, they don't have a gender. But in Arabic, remember, every ism has a gender, either masculine or feminine. And remember the general statement for it. In the top right corner, you look at that. An ism in the Arabic language is considered masculine unless there is a reason to call it feminine. The default gender is masculine. The default gender of an ism in Arabic language is masculine unless you find a reason, you have a reason to call that word, that ism, feminine. So what we will do, we will learn the reasons to call an ism feminine. And if you don't see that reason, if you don't find that reason to call it feminine, then it is masculine. That's the general rule. Okay? So what are the reasons? First reason, real feminine. There are certain isms which are feminine because of biological reasons, and they are feminine in every language. Like ummun means mother, bintun means daughter, ukhtun means sister. Okay? And irrespective of language, these isms will be feminine because they are real feminine. They are feminine because of biological reasons. All right, so they are called real feminine. But then there are non-real feminines, which may be feminine in some languages and may be masculine in other languages. All right, so those are called non-real feminines. And in Arabic, first type of non-real feminine is when you see a ta marbuta at the end, around ta, that means it is feminine. Okay? But there are some exceptions, like Usama, Ubaida, Khalifa. Some exceptions, but generally, most of the time, if you see a ta marbuta, a round ta at the end, that word is feminine in Arabic. And names of places are feminine. Body parts in pairs, the parts that you have twos of, like 2 hands, 2 ears, 2 eyes, 2 feet, they are all feminine. Okay, so I introduce you to 4 reasons to call an ism feminine. Ism can be feminine because of biological reasons. That is called a real feminine. And if there is no biological reason, it could still be feminine, but then there will be other reasons, like ta marbuta at the end, or names of places. All names of places, Makkah, Madian, Misr, Pakistan, India, all names of places, they all are feminine. And the body parts that we have in twos, in pairs, they're all feminine. All right, there are more reasons, but I don't have time for it, so I will stop here, and I will ask the teachers, please practice the status in the breakout rooms, so everybody gets a chance to tell the status. So that's where I will stop, and we will go to the breakout rooms now.